Parental interaction is essential in this book to ensure the student's understanding of the concept is mastered. Since this series was created for a beginner reader, it is important to maintain daily practice and consistency of how the student is being taught. Remember that giving positive encouragement is vital to building the student's confidence in his reading abilities. The student should complete 4 pages per day with guidance to ensure he is learning the material correctly. In Codebusters Booklet B, the student will learn the names and sounds of consonants and letters K, T, and R. First, start by asking the child to identify the letter. If he cannot, then ask him to repeat after you. This letter's name is K. Can you say K? This letter's sound is K. Can you say K? The letter K makes the sound K. Next, introduce upper and lowercase letters by saying, this is an uppercase K. Can you say uppercase K? This is a lowercase k. Can you say lowercase k? Let's move on to the next letter. This letter's name is T. Can you say T? This letter's sound is T. Can you say T? The letter T makes the sound T. Remember to review upper and lowercase letters as well. Lastly, let's review the final letter name and sound. This letter's name is R. Can you say R? This letter's sound is Can you say The letter R makes the sound Again, remember to review upper and lowercase letters. In this exercise, the child will identify the image that looks different from the rest. If the child is struggling, you may help him without giving away the answer by drawing arrows, for example. This gives the child a better visual of the concept without just giving him the answer. He can then identify which picture looks different and put a circle around it. In this exercise, the child will learn to become familiar with the K sound in a word that begins with the letter K. Have the child say the name of the picture while putting emphasis on the K sound. This is a picture of a kettle. K, k, kettle. Then he may draw a circle around it. While working on developing fine motor skills, the child will identify the word kettle begins with the letter K by emphasizing the K sound and drawing a line to connect the two. While this exercise is working on matching identical letters, this is also a good place to review upper and lowercase letters. After the child identifies the matching letter, he should then draw a circle around it. In this exercise, the child will trace the given letters correctly. When developing fine motor skills and learning letter formation, it is important that the child learns to form letters correctly from the start. The arrows and numbers around the letter provide guidance on how to correctly write that letter. In this exercise, the child will learn to identify the letter name and sound a word begins with. Ask the child, what letter is this? Correct. This is the letter K. K, k, K. Which picture starts with the letter K? The K, kangaroo, or the D, dress? Kangaroo starts with the letter K. Good. Here, the child will work on letter identification. After he has found each letter he can, if there is another he cannot find, guide him to the general area of where the letter is located without just giving him the answer. This is the first place in Codebusters where the student learns to blend two sounds together. The student will likely need help with this or may just need to repeat after the instructor. This letter makes the sound K. Can you say K, K? This letter makes the sound A, as in apple. Can you say A? Now, let's put the two sounds together by saying K, A, Ka, Ka. Great! For any further questions or explanations, please contact your Gideon instructor.